we'll guide you through how to make the resolution smaller LDPlayer. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, navigate to your computer desktop screen and make sure you can clearly see all of the icons that are available there. Scan around your desktop carefully until you find the LDPlayer shortcut icon that is used to launch the emulator. Once you have located it, place your cursor directly over the icon and double-click it to open the program. Wait a few moments for LDPlayer to completely load, as the emulator may take a short time to start depending on your system. After the emulator has finished loading, take a look at the top right corner of the LDPlayer window. Hover your mouse over the icon that contains 3 horizontal lines. Then click it once to open the menu options. When the menu appears, look down the list of available options and press Settings. A display settings menu will then pop up in the middle of your screen. A list of different resolution options will appear for you to choose from. Hover your mouse over the lower resolution option and click it once to select the smaller size. After selecting it, navigate your mouse to the bottom of the window and press Save Settings. A warning prompt will immediately show up on your screen asking you to restart the emulator. Press the Restart Now button so the changes can take effect properly. Wait for the LDPlayer emulator to restart and finish loading up again. Once the restart process is complete, you should now see that your LDPlayer resolution is smaller than before. If you want to make the resolution look more like a phone display, go back into the Settings menu again using the same steps as before. Press the Phone tab once more to view the available resolution choices. Select your preferred resolution from the list according to the screen size you want to use. After making your selection, press Save, and when the pop-up appears on your screen, press Restart Now so the new resolution setting is applied successfully.